Let's see how the TI83 or TI84 calculator can help us with this particular probability problem. Here we have each child of a particular pair of parents having a probability of 0.25 of having type O blood. Suppose the parents have 5 children. Our first question is to find the probability that exactly 3 of the children have type O blood. First of all, this is a binomial situation with exactly 5 trials. The probability of success is the same from trial to trial at 0.25, and we're looking for exactly 3 successes. I have my calculator set up in what is referred to as classic mode. So if you hit the mode button, you can see we've got classic mode here instead of math print. I prefer classic mode when I do my calculations so that I can see all the parameters on my screen. To do a binomial distribution calculation, we hit second vars, and binomial distributions are up here. Binomial PDF, I'll talk about Binomial Cdf in a moment. Because I have one of the newer versions of the software, or the operating system, for the graphing calculator, it actually gives me this nice template that I can fill in. We have 5 trials. The probability of success is the same from trial to trial at 0.25, and we are looking for exactly 3 successes. I come down here to paste and hit enter. It pastes it right in my home screen, and we can see that the probability of exactly 3 successes in 5 trials, when the probability of success is 0.25, that probability is 0.0879. So let's take a look at part B here. Should the parents be surprised if more than 3 of their children have type O blood? So this is still a binomial situation with 5 trials, and the probability of success is still 0.25. But now we're looking for the probability that more than 3 of their children have type O blood. So either 4 or 5 of their children have type O blood. So let's go back here to our calculator. We're going to use the Binomial Cdf command now. And what the Binomial Cdf command does is it sums the binomial probability from 0 successes up to a certain number of successes. So we still have 5 trials. The probability of success is 0.25, and we're looking for up to 3 successes. So this calculation right now is actually not quite what we're looking for. It sums the probabilities of 0, 1, 2, or 3 successes. But we don't want 0, 1, 2, or 3 successes. We want 4 or 5 successes. So that would be the complementary event. So I'm just going to do 1 minus this probability that we see on our calculators. And should the parents be surprised if they have 4 or 5 children with type O blood? Given that the probability of a child individually having type O blood is 0.25? And the answer to that question, of course, is yes. They should be very surprised.